Lenovo has announced two new tablets for the global market, the Idea Tab and the Tab K11 Gen 2. Both models share most specifications, with the main difference being the camera setup. Both tablets are powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor and comes with ARM Mali G57MC2 GPU. They run Android 15 and offers two memory configuration, 4 and 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB UFS 2.2 storage. Storage can be extended up to 2 TB via micro SD card. The SIM tray includes nano SIM and micro SD card slot, while the K2 Gen 2 also supports eSIM. The display is 11-inch LCD 2.5K resolution, 90Hz with 500 nits of peak brightness and 72% NTSC color gamut. It supports 10-point multi-touch input and works with Tab Pen and Tab Pen Plus. Both of them have quad speakers setup with Dolby Atmos and single microphone. Sensors include accelerometer, ambient light sensor and hall sensor. The battery is 7040 mAh with 20-watt fast charging support over USB Type-C, which offers up to 14 hours of continuous use. The Idea Tab has 8 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front camera, while the K2 Gen 2 upgrades it to 13 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front. Connectivity options include 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and AGPS. Both tablets come with 3.5 headphone jack and microphone combo jack, a metal body, IP52 dust and water resistance, and it weighs around 480 grams. Color options include Luna Grey and Polar Bright. Accessories include folio case, keyboard and stylus. The Idea Tab includes Lenovo's E310 TWS earbuds. Pricing and availability will be revealed pretty soon.